Right, let's run through how to create a task. Go to the left hand side and click on the plus beside task. We want to select the person that's going to do the task on the farm for us. Open Assign To. We want to assign this task to Leroy. And Leroy is our fert spreader. We'll give him a date that we want the job done by, and this will be next Tuesday. And we'll color code the map so he knows where he's going. And this recommendation or this job is fertilizer for the lucerne ground. We go down and we'll select a file for him, and it'll be the recommendation, the spread rate, the total tonnage of the mix, and where to pick the fertilizer up. And that will load into the box here. And we'll write in our instructions, "Hi Leroy, please find attached fert rec for lucerne ground. Please sign and return health and safety documents before starting." I have also attached farm's emergency plan and hazard map to be supplied to your drivers. So we add these by clicking on them below the attachment box. So we add the emergency plan, a contractor induction form, and our hazard map. Now that allows these guys to print these off, sign them, and they can scan them back in here when they complete the task. So all we do now is go to the bottom right hand corner and create task. It sends the task away via email. They receive the email and they click the link inside, which will take them to that task inside your program so they don't get lost. This also works with the offline apps. You'll get a notification on your phone, which you'll just push the link and it will open it up on that farm for you. So now what the contractor sees. So we'll go across and hit the word tasks. Here's the task that we created before. So we want to view this task, so click the green button. So this shows us the task opened. So you can quite clearly see the map here for the contractor. Now if the contractor's on his phone, he can push locate when he comes onto farm, and a little blue dot will turn up wherever he is and show him how to get to those red paddocks. Or otherwise he can push print here and print this map out and the task. So like we showed you in printing map earlier, we can go landscape and zoom in or out, hit print, which will create it into a PDF for us. Open the PDF. And we'll see the instructions here printed for us, plus the map. And now they can hand that to the drivers if they like. If you go back to the task, you'll clearly see the instructions from myself to Leroy and the attached documents. We can open the recommendation. The contractor induction form sits here. The contractor can open that, sign it and scan it back, and the emergency plan's attached. So once the job is done, Leroy can come in and complete the task. "Hi John, job has been done." So, hi John, job done, bit boggy in Cache Creek. He hits complete task, which sends this task back to us as an email. Because we're sitting on this page here, we'll see that it's done. Here's the completion notes here. A notification will come through on your app that the job has been completed as well. So now we can save this task as a record by hitting the button in the top right hand corner, create record. We click that and we add the appropriate tags to the record. So it's a fertilizer application and create record. And if we view our timeline, it sits at the top of our timeline. Nice and simple.